friends, welcome to KRK Law and Knowledge channel. Friends, today we will see Post of District Judge preliminary question paper dated on 28 November 2015. Friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see question number 1. The ossification test is done to determine dash. Answer is option number A, age. Question number 2. Wherever Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999 is applicable, what is the date of termination of tenancy? Answer is option number C, date of decree. Question number 3. What can be the maximum duration of an order of anticipatory bail? Answer is option number C, until conclusion of trial. Question number 4. In a private complaint case which is found to be false, the question of awarding compensation to the accused can be decided as follows. Answer is option number D, by giving finding about falsity and after summary inquiry and deciding separately the issue of compensation. Question number 5. Under the Bombay Court Fees Act 1959, plaint includes dash. Answer is option number D, a written statement pleading a set-up or counterclaim. Question number 6. Under the Bombay Stamp Act 1958, instrument includes dash. Answer is option number A bond. Question number 7. The statement or facts by an accused in an application for plea bargaining dash. Answer is option number C, cannot be used for any other purpose except for the purpose of plea bargaining. Question number 8. Any man who watches or captures the image of a woman engaging in a private act in circumstances where she would usually have the expectation of not being observed either by the perpetrator or by any other person at the behest of the perpetrator or disseminates such image is guilty of an offense of dash. Answer is option number B, voyeurism. Question number 9. The imprisonment in default of fine dash. Answer is option number A, shall be in addition to a substantive sentence maximum awardable under section 29 without any specific order. Question number 10. The proposition R number 1, delay in dispatch of the FIR is not a circumstance which can throw out the prosecution case in its entirety. Question number 2. Delay in dispatch of the FIR is a circumstance which can throw out the prosecution case in its entirety. Number 3. The extraordinary delay in sending the FIR is a circumstance which provides a legitimate basis for suspecting that the FIR was recorded much later than the stated date and hour, affording sufficient time to the prosecution to introduce improvements. Which of the following is correct in respect of the opposite propositions? Answer is option number B. 1 and 3rd are true. Second is false. Question number 11. Propositions as regard the liability of the surety under the surety bond are. Answer is option number A, 1 and 3rd are correct. Number 1. The liability of the surety is mutually exclusive of the liability of the accused under his personal bond. And number 3rd is limited to the amount of the surety bond. These are correct. Question number 12. Proceedings under section 258 of CRPC can be stopped dash. Answer is option number B, in a summons case instituted otherwise than upon a complaint. Question number 13. Under section 102 of IPC, the right to private defense of the body dash. Answer is option number A. Commences as soon as a reasonable apprehension of danger to the body arises and continues as long as that apprehension continues. Question number 14. Under section 149 of IPC, if an offence is committed by a member of an unlawful assembly in furtherance of their common object dash. Answer is option number A. Every person who at that time was a member of that assembly shall be guilty of that offence. Question number 15. Why a small boy was guarding the field Z and M outsiders trespass and started harvesting. On protest by Y, they beat him up, and hearing his cries, X and P, uncles of Y, who were working in different directions, rushed in. One of them, X, fired at the trespassers, killing one of them and ran away. P was arrested and charged under section 302 of the IPC for murder. Read with section 34. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer is option number D. He is not liable because there was no common intention to kill. Question number 16. Section 27 applies to dash. Answer is option number A. Discovery of some fact which the police had not previously learned from other sources and was first derived from the information given by the accused. Question number 17. Confession of one accused is admissible against co-accused dash. Answer is option number A. If they are tried jointly for the same offence. Question number 18. Dhulabhai etc. versus State of Madhya Pradesh and another AIR 1969 Supreme Court 78 lays down certain principles regarding the exclusion of jurisdiction of civil courts. Which of the following is not a principle laid down in his authority? Answer is option number C. Question as to the correctness of the assessment apart from its constitutionality or the decision of the authorities, and a civil suit lies even if the orders of the authorities are declared to be final. Question number 19. Parties by their consent or agreement dash. Answer is option number C. Can oust the jurisdiction of one of the courts when there are two courts simultaneously having jurisdiction in law. Question number 20. Which of the following statements are correct? Answer is option number D, all the above. Means number A, the executing court must take the decree at its stand. Number B, the executing court cannot go into the question whether the decree has been obtained by fraud. Number C, the executing court cannot question the legality, correctness or validity of the decree. Question number 21. A garnishee order is an order dash. Answer is option number A, prohibiting the judgment debtor from making any payment to the judgment debtor. Question number 22. A owes B under a contract a sum of money the amount of which has not been ascertained. A, without ascertaining the amount, gives to B, and B, in satisfaction thereof, accept the sum of rupees 2000. This is a discharge of dash. Answer is option number A, whole debt. Question number 23. X executed a sale deed in favor of Y on 1st January 2002. Subsequently on 10 January 2002, X executed a sale deed in respect of the same property in favor of Z. Thereafter, the sale deed in favor of Z executed on 10 January 2002 was registered on 20 January 2002, whereas the sale deed in favor of Y was registered on 30 January 2002. In the said case, by virtue of Section 47 of the Registration Act 1908 answer is option number A. The sale deed executed in favor of Y on 1st January 2002 and registered on 30 January 2002 shall have precedence and confer title on Y. Question number 24. Land used as pathway by villagers for going to river ghat because there was no other way for going to river ghat and that villagers were using river water for domestic and drinking purposes as there was no well or tank in village. It was proved as dash. Answer is option number C is meant by necessity. Question number 25. Necessity is available as defense dash. Answer is option number A. When harm is caused intentionally to prevent a greater evil. Question number 26. For the application of section 14 subsection 1 of Hindu Succession Act 1956, the female Hindus dash. Answer is option number D. Both A and B means number A must have the ownership of property vested in her. Number B must in possession of the property. Question number 27. Hiba under the Mohammedan law means dash. Answer is option number A. Immediate and unqualified transfer of the corpus of the property without any return. Question number 28. If in an instrument the amount undertaken or ordered to be paid is stated differently in figures and in words. Answer is option number C. The amount stated in words shall be the amount undertaken or ordered to be paid. Question number 29. Which among the following international conventions and treaties were followed for the enactment of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 in India? Answer is option number D. All the above means number A. Vienna Accord 1994. Number B. Beijing Declaration 1995. Number C. Convention of Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women 1989. Question number 30. Physical abuse under the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 means any act or conduct which is of such a nature as to cause dash. Answer is option number D. All the above means number A. Bodily pain, harm or danger to life, limb or health. Number B. Impair of health or development of aggrieved person. Number C. Assault, criminal intimidation and criminal force. Question number 31. What are the statutes to combat cyber crime? Answer is option number D. All the above means number A. Information Technology Act. Number B. Indian Penal Code. Number C. Copyright Act. Question number 32. Question number 32. Which authority establishes Juvenile Justice Board under the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children's Act 2000? Answer is option number A, state government. Question number 33. Number 1. A intentionally gives Z a sword cut or club wound sufficient to cause the death of a man. In the ordinary course of nature, Z dies in consequence. A is guilty of culpable homicide and not murder. Number 2. Z attempt to horsewhip A not in such a manner as to cause grievous hurt to A. A draws out a pistol. Z persists in the assault. A believing in good faith that he can by no other means prevent himself from being horsewhipped shoots Z dead. A has not committed murder but only culpable homicide. Answer is option number D. 1 is incorrect and second is correct. Question number 34. Philosophical doctrine of utilitarianism marked by the theory of pleasure and pain, which is intended to be the means to attain the greatest happiness of the greatest number, is propounded by dash. Answer is option number A, Bentham. Question number 35. What is the general distinction between civil wrongs and crime? Answer is option number D. Civil wrong is a private wrong and crime is a public wrong. Question number 36. The Westbury principle is referable to dash. Answer is option number A, administrative law. Question number 37. The dissenting view in the recent judgment was taken by Honorable Sri dash. Answer is option number B, Chelmeshwar J. Question number 38. The doctrine of rarest of rare was laid down by the Supreme Court in the case of dash. Answer is option number A, Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab, AR 1980, Supreme Court 898. Question number 39. What is epistolary jurisdiction? Answer is option number B, entertaining the letter petitions by court. Question number 40. The statement of the child under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 is to be recorded by. Answer is option number D, all the above. Means number A, woman police officer. B, a police officer not below the rank of sub-inspector. Number C, a police officer not in uniform. Question number 41. Latin maxim Audi alteram partem is based on the principle dash. Answer is option number A, no man be condemned unheard. Question number 42. Petition for divorce under the Special Marriage Act 1954 is to be filed in the court of dash. Answer is option number C, District Court. Question number 43. Rules of procedure are handmaids of justice means dash. Answer is option number B. Procedural laws must subserve to and are in aid of justice. Question number 44. Number 1. Objection as to place of suing can be allowed at appellate stage though such objection was not taken in the court of first instance. Number 2. Objection as to place of suing can be allowed at revisional stage though such objection was not taken in the court of first instance. Answer is option number D. Both 1 and 2 are false. Question number 45. X and Y, both public servant, apply for another public service. They are at serial number 1 and 2 respectively on the merit list and there is only one post. X demand rupees 5 lakhs from Y to give up his claim so that Y cannot get the service. A trap is laid and X is found accepting the amount. Whether X is liable for any offense? Answer is option number D. X would not be liable under both the provisions. Question number 46. Virsa Singh versus State of Punjab, AIR 1958, Supreme Court 465 is a landmark judgment on dash. Answer is option number B. Culpable homicide and murder. Question number 47. Which among the following is a landmark judgment of the Supreme Court on circumstantial evidence? Answer is option number A. Hanuman Govind Nargunkar and ANR versus State of MP, AIR 1952. Question number 48. Which among the following is not a mode of transfer under the Transfer of Property Act 1882? Answer is option number D. Pledge. Question number 49. X executes sale deed in respect of a property in favor of Y for a consideration of rupees 1 lakh. Out of the said amount, rupees 50,000 is paid and balance is to be paid within 3 months. What is the right of X if the amount is not paid by Y? Answer is option number B. He shall be entitled to the balance amount along with interest. Question number 50. Transferee of an immovable property can claim protection under section 53A of Transfer of Property Act dash. Answer is option number A. If possession is given to him in part performance by written agreement. Friends, thank you friends. Remaining part of this paper we will see in next video. Hello friends, welcome to KRK Law and Knowledge channel. Friends, today we will see Post of District Judge preliminary question paper dated on 28 November 2015, remaining part. So friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see remaining part of this paper. Question number 51. Suit for possession under section 6 of Specific Relief Act 1963 is to be filed within dash of dispossession. Answer is option number A. 6 months. Question number 52. Where no time is fixed for the performance of agreement, a suit for specific performance is to be filed within dash. Answer is option number C. 3 years of notice of refusal of performance. Question number 53. What is the remedy against the order of detention in the civil prison under Order 39, Rule 2A of Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number D. Appeal under Clause H of Section 104 of CPC. Question number 54. According to Sale of Goods Act 1930, an unpaid seller has which rights where goods are passed to the buyer? Answer is option number D. All of the above. Means number A. A lien on the goods for the price while he is in possession of them. Number B. In case of the insolvency of the buyer, a right of stopping the goods in transit after he has parted with the possession of them. Number C. A right of resale as limited by this act. Question number 55. For the purpose of section 6 of the Hindu Succession Amendment of 2005 Act 1956, partition means dash. Answer is option number C. A and B above means number A, any partition made by execution of a deed of partition duly registered. Number B, partition effected by decree of a court. Question number 56. Cooling off period prescribed under section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is dash. Answer is option number B, 6 months. Question number 57. Number 1. Appointment of testamentary guardian by father shall have no effect if father predeceases the mother. Number 2. Such appointment however revives if the mother dies without appointing by will any person as guardian. Answer is option number C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 58. Number 1. Heirs of deceased are liable to maintain the dependents of the deceased out of the estate inherited by them from the deceased. Answer is option number C. 1 is correct. Second is incorrect. Question number 59. As per the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Sarla Verma and others versus Delhi Transport Corporation, how much amount of income of deceased who is married is to be deducted for calculating compensation if the dependent are 4? Answer is option number B, 1/4. Question number 60. Number 1. Insurance company would not be liable to indemnify the owner where the check issued by him for premium is dishonored in respect of the claim of third parties. Number 2. Only where the insurance company has intimated to the owner in writing about the said dishonor before the occurrence of the incident, insurance company would not be liable. Answer is option number B. 1 is false, second is true. Question number 61. Death of insured after the accident would bar the claim of the third parties against dash. Answer is option number D. Neither A nor B. Question number 62. Number 1. In case of composite negligence, liability of the tortfeasors is joint and several, and it is the prerogative of the claimant to lay his claim against either or all of them. Number 2. In case of contributory negligence, liability of the tortfeasor is to the extent of his negligence. Answer is option number C. 1 and 2 are true. Question number 63. Suit for partition of joint family property is to be filed within dash. Answer is option number A. 12 years after the exclusion from the joint family becomes known to the plaintiff. Question number 64. Acknowledgement contemplated under section 18 of the Limitation Act for granting fresh period of limitation dash. Answer is option number B. Has to be given within prescribed limitation. Question number 65. Inchoate instrument means dash. Answer is option number A. Blank or incomplete instrument. Question number 66. Director of a company is vicariously liable for the offence committed by the company dash. Answer is option number C. Both A and B. Number A. In cases where statute so provides. Number B. Where there are specific allegations against the director. Question number 67. In the absence of agreement between the parties regarding appointment of arbitrator, the arbitrator is to be appointed by dash. Answer is option number D. All of the above means A. The Chief Justice. Number B. Person designated by the Chief Justice. Number C. institution designated by the Chief Justice. Question number 68 dash is the principal civil court of original jurisdiction in Mumbai? Answer is option number C, High Court. Question number 69. What does venue and seat of arbitration signify? Answer is option number A. Venue is merely geographical location where arbitration is to be conducted, whereas seat is related to the laws of area governing arbitration. Question number 70. Non-compliance of section 50 of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, where search and seizure of contraband is from the suitcase with the accused. In such case, dash. Answer is option number C. Compliance is not mandatory. Question number 71. X, a partnership firm, is registered with the registrar of firm. However, name of plaintiff partner is not shown in the register of firms and the suit is filed to enforce right arising from a contract and conferred by the Indian Partnership Act 1932, then such suit would be dash. Answer is option number B, not maintainable. Question number 72. There is presumption of existence of contract entitling an agent to enforce or bind him in respect of contract entered by him on behalf of principal. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Means number A, where the contract is made by an agent for the sale or purchase of goods for a merchant resident abroad. Number B, where the agent does not disclose the name of his principal. Number C, where the principal, though disclosed, cannot be sued. Question number 73. Check issued by one Dheeraj Lal, who is the managing director of Dheeraj Lal Export Limited, in his personal capacity is dishonored. Liability under section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act would be of dash. Answer is option number A, Dheeraj Lal. Question number 74. Fracture of larynx, trachea and hyoid bone generally occur in dash. Answer is option number B, strangulation. Question number 75. Phenomenon of rigor mortis is crucial for determination of dash. Answer is option number B, time of death. Question number 76. Decree of eviction under section 15 of Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999 cannot be passed unless dash. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Means number A period of 90 days has expired after the landlord having served a notice in writing demanding standard rent and permitted increases due from the tenant. Number B, tenants fails to pay the standard rent and permitted increases along with simple interest 15% within 90 days of service of suit summons. Number C, after making deposit as per B above fails to pay or tender in court the said amount regularly until decision of suit along with cost directed by court. Question number 77. Where the premises are let out for residential purpose and the tenant dies, who among the following can be termed as tenant under section 7 subsection 15 clause D of Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999? Answer is option B, member of tenant's family residing with the tenant. Question number 78. Decree for eviction on the ground of bona fide requirement may not be passed even after the bona fide requirement is proved by the landlord if dash. Answer is option number A. It is shown that greater hardship would be caused to the tenant by grant of decree than what would be caused to landlord by its refusal. Question number 79. Where offence under the Food Adulteration Act 1954 is committed by a company and a person under section 17 subsection 2 of the said act is nominated, who among the following would be liable? Dash. Answer is option number C. The person nominated. Question number 80. Golden rule as a principle of statutory interpretation means dash. Answer is option number A. Literal construction. Question number 81. Amendment to section 6 of Hindu Succession Act is held by the Supreme Court in the recent judgment of Prakash versus Phulwati as dash. Answer is option number B. Prospective. Question number 82. Investigation of offences under the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 is to be conducted by dash. Answer is option number A. Deputy Superintendent of Police. Question number 83. Application seeking reference under section 18 of Land Acquisition Act 1894, where the applicant was present or represented at the time of making of award by the collector, has to be filed within dash. Answer is option number B. 6 weeks of the collector's award. Question number 84. Solatium under section 23 subsection 2 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 is to be awarded at the rate of dash over the market value. Answer is option number B. 30%. Question number 85. Appeal against decree passed by the family court is to be heard by dash. Answer is option number B. Division bench of High Court. Question number 86. Decision of the Charity Commissioner as to whether a trust exists and whether such trust is a public trust can be assailed before dash. Answer is option number B. District Court. Question number 87. At what stage an accused before 18 years of age can claim benefit of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children's Act 2000? Answer is option number D. All of the above. Means number A. During the trial. Number B. Before the appellate court. Number C. After the matter is finally decided. Question number 88. Where in a civil appeal the appellant and his advocate are absent dash. Answer is option number B. Second and third are correct. Means second number. Court may dismiss the matter for default. Number 3. Court may adjourn the matter for future date. Question number 89. Where an immovable property of judgment debtor is attached in execution, the statutory remedy of the person seeking to lay claim were the said property or object to attachment is dash. Answer is option number B. File objection before the court passing the order. Question number 90. Effect of death of sole plaintiff between the conclusion of the hearing and pronouncing of the judgment is that. Answer is option number C. There will be no effect. Question number 91. If one of the several plaintiffs has to abandon a suit or part of a claim dash. Answer is option number B. He has to obtain the consent of other plaintiffs. Question number 92. In order to discover or to obtain proper proof of relevant facts, judge may ask any question about any fact dash. Answer is option number C, both. Question number 93. An application for grant of succession certificate may be entertained by a court within whose jurisdiction dash. Answer is option number C, both A and B. Means number A, the deceased ordinarily resided. Number B, where no fixed place of residence of deceased, at a place where any part of property may be found. Question number 94. An anti-suit injunction is dash. Answer is option number A, an order preventing opposite party from commencing or continuing proceeding in another jurisdiction. Question number 95. Order of conviction and sentence of 1 year passed by Judicial Magistrate First Class is maintained by the Court of Session and the accused files an application for suspension of sentence and are bailed to approach High Court. The Court of Session dash. Answer is option number C, shall not entertain the application. Question number 96. Order passed under section 156 subsection 3 of Criminal Procedure Code is dash. Answer is option number B, revisable. Question number 97. Altry is dash. Answer is option number A, an amount paid by one owner to another to equalize partition to property. Question number 98. Match the following. Number A, ADM Jabalpur vs Shukla. Number B, MSM Sharma vs SK Sinha. Number C, RC Cooper vs Union of India. Number D, RK Garg vs Union of India. Option 1, bearer bonds case. Number 2, habeas corpus case. Number 3, bank nationalization case. Number 4, searchlight case. Match the following pairs. Answer is option number D, A2, B4, C3, D1. Means A2, ADM Jabalpur vs Shukla habeas corpus case. B4 means MSM Sharma vs SK Sinha searchlight case. Number C, RC Cooper vs Union of India means bank nationalization case. Number D, RK Garg vs Union of India means number 1, bearer bonds case. Question number 99. Match the following. Number A, basic structure of constitution cannot be amended. Number B, a law made by the legislature to deprive a person of his personal liberty must be just, fair and reasonable. Number C, advisory opinion of the Supreme Court is also binding on all courts. Number D, presidential satisfaction under Article 356 is judicially revivable. List 2. Number 1, in reference to Special Court Bill 1978. Number 2, Keshavananda Bharati vs State of Kerala. Number 3, S.R. Bommai vs Union of India. Number 4, Maneka Gandhi vs Union of India. Answer is A2, B4, C1, D3. Question number 100. The object of section 14 subsection 2 of Hindu Succession Act 1956 is to dash. Answer is option number B, remove the disability on woman imposed by law. Thank you friends. Hello friends, welcome to KRK Law and Knowledge channel. Friends, today we will see Post of District Judge Judicial Preliminary Exam question paper of year 2019 with answers. Friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see date of 21st July 2019 question paper. Question number 1. X and Y agreed to commit theft in Z's house, but no theft is actually committed. They are guilty of dash. Answer is option number D, criminal conspiracy. Question number 2. In the following 4 questions given below, there are 2 statements labeled as assertion A and reason R. In the context of the 2 statements, which of the following is correct? Assertion A. Section 471 Indian Penal Code provides punishment for using as genuine a forged document. Reason R. The act must be both dishonest and fraudulent. Answer is option number C. A is true but R is false. Question number 3. Assertion A. The prosecutrix is on par with an accomplice. Reason R. Corroboration to the prosecutrix evidence is no sign qua non in rape cases. Answer is option number D. A is false but R is true. Question number 4. Assertion A. If the court is satisfied that the dying declaration is true and voluntary, it can base conviction on it. Reason R. Where dying declaration is suspicious, it should not be acted upon without corroborative evidence. Answer is option number A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 5. Assertion A. An adjudication not fulfilling the requisites of section 2 subsection 2 of Code of Civil Procedure cannot be said to be a decree. Reason R. By legal fiction, certain orders and determinations are deemed to be decrees under the code. Answer is option number A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 6. A is accused of receiving stolen goods, knowing them to be stolen. It is proved that he was in possession of a particular stolen article in view of the provisions of the Indian Evidence Act. The fact that at the same time he was in possession of many other stolen articles is relevant as it tends to show his dash. Answer is option number A. Knowledge that each and all the articles of which he was in possession to be stolen. Question number 7. A plaint can be returned for presentation before proper court. Dash. Answer is option number D. At any stage of the suit. Question number 8. A promises B to drop a prosecution which he has instituted against B for robbery, and B promises to restore the value of things taken. Answer is option number B. Agreement is void. Question number 9. A prosecution witness was given up by the prosecution. The defense cited him as a witness. During the cross-examination, the prosecutor tried to use his former statement recorded under section 161 Code of Criminal Procedure to contradict him. The defense raised serious objection aside from the following. Answer is option number B. Prosecution cannot use such statement of the witness recorded under section 161 Code of Criminal Procedure to contradict him. Question number 10. Who may apply for rectification of instrument? Answer is option number D. All of the above. Means option number A. Other party or his representative in interest may institute a suit to have the instrument rectified. Number B. The plaintiff in any suit in which any right arising under the instrument is in issue claim in his pleading that the instrument be rectified. Number C. A defendant in any suit in which any right arising under the instrument is in issue in addition to any other defense open to him. Question number 11. Which of the following is incorrect? With reference to the provision of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. Answer is option number C. Heinous offence include the offences for which minimum punishment under the Indian Penal Code or any other law for the time being in force is imprisonment for 10 years or more. Question number 12. Who is a minor under section 4A of Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956? Answer is option number A. One who has not completed the age of 18 years. Question number 13. With reference to the Indian Contract Act, novation means dash. Answer is option number D. Substitution of new contract in place of old contract. Question number 14. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court direct the Law Commission to review the law on rape? Answer is option number B. Sakshi versus Union of India. Question number 15. Article 39A of the Constitution of India pertains to dash. Answer is option number C. Equal justice and free legal aid. Question number 16. Which of the following is incorrect? A person other than a police officer or an officer of an investigating agency or other law enforcement authority can make request for previous sanction for taking cognizance by the court of any offences punishable under section 7, 11, 13 and 15 of the Prevention of Corruption of Act 1988 unless answer is option number D, none of the above. Question number 17. Which of the following is incorrect? As per the Scheduled Caste and the Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. Answer is option number D, none of the above. Question number 18. After the commencement of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999, a landlord shall be entitled to increase of dash % per annum in the rent of the premises let out for residence or business. Answer is option number A, 4%. Question number 19. Under Hanapi law of inheritance, who among the following is entitled to get the first prescribed share of the estate of the deceased property after payment of his funeral expenses, debts and legacies? Answer is option number A, sharers. Question number 20. Where a right of way has been peaceably and openly enjoyed over the government property by any person claiming title thereto as an easement and as a right without interruption and for dash years, the right to such access shall be absolute. Answer is option number C, 30 years. Question number 21. The principle of criminal liability actus non facit reum nisi vincit rea means. Answer is option number A. The act alone does not amount to guilt unless accompanied by a guilty mind. Question number 22. On the day of incident, myself along with B and C assaulted X and Y with swords. We ran away from the spot of incident with weapons I have hidden swords under the bridge on National Highway near Nashik. I will show you the place. We did all this at the investigation of jail. From the above passage, which of the following is admissible under section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act? Answer is option number C. I have hidden swords under the bridge on National Highway near Nashik. I will show you the place. Question number 23. Specified value in relation to a commercial dispute under the Commercial Courts Act 2015 shall not be less than dash rupees. Answer is option number A, 3 lakh. Question number 24. A applies to a banker for a loan at a time when there is a stringency in money market. The banker declines to make the loan except at an unusually high rate of interest. A accepts the loan on these terms. The contract between A and B was dash. Answer is option number D, valid as the transaction is in the ordinary course of business and not induced by undue influence. Question number 25. Any offense which includes cheating may, if the deception is practiced by means of letters or telecommunication, message, by inquired into or tried by any court within whose local jurisdiction dash. Answer is option number C, either A or B, means option A, such letters or message were sent. Option B, such letter or message were received. Question number 26. In the share of Maharashtra, the application for registration of partnership form, a statement in the prescribed form has to be sent to the registrar within dash. Answer is option number B, a period of 1 year of its constitution. Question number 27. X and Y have A as their mother, but their fathers are different. Their relationship is dash. Answer is option number C, uterine blood. Question number 28. Right of way annexed to A's house were B's land. This is a dash easement. Answer is option number D, discontinuous easement. Question number 29. Which of the following case establish the natural guardian status to mother of minor children? Answer is option number C, Geeta Hariharan's case. Question number 30. If the substance of a statute is in reality beyond the competence of the legislature, the will that covers it will not save it. It is called dash. Answer is option number C, doctrine of pith and substance. Question number 31. Which of the following is incorrect? Answer is option number C, the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 did not provide for punishment for abatement of any offence punishable under this act. Question number 32. With reference to the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999, which of the following is incorrect? Answer is option number C, second appeal shall lie to High Court against any decision in appeal under section 34(1) of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999. Question number 33. What is the share of single daughter when there is no son under Hanapi law? Answer is option number B, half. Question number 34. Period of limitation for any suit by any local authority for possession of any public road from which it has been dispossessed is dash. Answer is option number D, 30 years. Question number 35. The accused, a manager of shelter home, deliberately stole two inmates of shelter home by denying them food regularly and confining them in a room of the shelter home here dash. Answer is option number B. The accused has committed offence punishable under IPC. Question number 36. If a confession as is referred to in section 24 of the Evidence Act is made after the impression caused by any inducement, threat or promise has in the opinion of the court been fully removed, then dash. Answer is option number A. It is relevant. Question number 37. Under order 15A of the Code of Civil Procedure, in the case management hearing of a commercial dispute under the Commercial Court Act 2015, the court shall not have power to dash. Answer is option number D, none of the above. Question number 38. Abhay, a grandson, owes rupees 10 lakh to his grandfather B, but this debt has become barred by the Limitation Act. Abhay signs an unregistered written promise to pay rupees 5 lakh on account of the debt. Which of the following is correct? Answer is option number D. This is an impossible contract as Abhay has given written promise to pay part of debt. Question number 39. When an offence is committed outside India by a citizen of India, whether on the high seas or elsewhere, he can be tried at dash. Answer is option number C, any place within India at which he may be found. Question number 40. Who can adopt by virtue of the provisions of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act? Answer is option number A, male and female Hindu can adopt a son or daughter. Question number 41. An easement is suspended when dash. Answer is option number D, either A or B, means option number A. The dominant owner becomes entitled to possession of the servant heritage for a limited interest therein. Number B. When the servant owner becomes entitled to possession of the dominant heritage for a limited interest therein. Question number 42. Constitutional validity to protective discrimination is provided under Article dash of the Constitution of India. Answer is option number A, 16(4). Question number 43. The Indian Penal Code 1860 is not applicable to dash. Answer is option number D, none of the above. Question number 44. The admissibility of a dying declaration is based on the maxim dash. Answer is option number C, nemo moriturus presumptor mentire. Question number 45. In view of provision of Order 41, Rule 16 and Rule 17 of the Code of Civil Procedure, which of the following is incorrect? Answer is option number C. The provision of Order 41, Rule 17, CPC shall be construed as empowering the court to dismiss the appeal on the merits. Question number 46. X owed Y a number of lawful debts, among which there was a promissory note for rupees 10,000, which had become barred by limitation on 1st June, on 2nd June. X sent Y a sum of rupees 5,000 without any instruction as to its appropriation. There was no debt due from X and that amount rupees 5,000 can Y appropriate the payment of rupees 5,000 against the promissory note for rupees 10,000 referred above. Answer is option number A, yes. Question number 47. Which of the following is incorrect? Answer is option number D, none of the above. Question number 48. Prior to amendment of 2005 to the Hindu Succession Act, a common male ancestor of a joint family and his sons, grandsons and great-grandsons would constitute a dash. Answer is option number B, co-personary. Question number 49. Judicial review means dash. Answer is option number A, the power of the courts to examine the constitutionality of legislative and executive act. Question number 50. A person was prosecuted under section 292 of the Indian Penal Code for selling an obscene book. The accused pleaded that although he sold the book, he had no knowledge of the contents of the book and hence did not have the necessary mens rea. In this case, dash. Answer is option number B. Accused is guilty of offense. Friends, remaining part of paper we will see in next video. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to KRK Law and Knowledge channel. Friends, today we will see remaining part of Post of District Judge Judicial Preliminary Exam question paper of year 2019 with answers. So friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see question number 51. In which of the following cases an evidence given by a witness in a judicial proceeding is relevant for the purpose of proving in a subsequent judicial proceeding or in a later stage of the same judicial proceeding the truth of the facts which it states? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Means option number A, where the witness is dead or cannot be found. Number B, where the witness is incapable of giving evidence or is kept out of the way by the adverse party. Option C, where presence of the witness cannot be obtained without an amount of delay or expense which under the circumstances of the case the court consider unreasonable. Question number 52. In absence of any order under Order 21, Rule 33 of the Code of Civil Procedure, the decree in which mode of enforcement is limited to attachment of property is dash. Answer is option number C, decree for restitution of conjugal rights. Question number 53. A and B executed a note where A agreed to reimburse B to the extent of rupees 1,000 on occurrence of loss. It is dash. Answer is option number A, a contract of indemnity. Question number 54. Any court may alter or add to any charge at any time before the dash. Answer is option number D, judgment is pronounced. Question number 55. The property mentioned in section 14 of Hindu Succession Act 1956 include property acquired by a female Hindu dash. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Means option A, by inheritance or device. Number B, at a partition. Number C, in lieu of maintenance. Question number 56. What is meant by court of record under the Constitution of India? Answer is option number B. The court which has power to punish for its contempt. Question number 57. A person is said to cause an effect dash when he causes it by means whereby he intended to cause it, or by means which at the time are employing those means he knew or had reason to believe to be likely to cause it. Answer is option number D, voluntarily. Question number 58. With reference to section 36 of Indian Evidence Act, which of the following maps is not relevant? Answer is option number D, none of the above. Question number 59. A judgment debtor who was detained in civil prison for non-payment of decree date was released on the expiry of the period of detention ordered by the court. Answer is option number B. He is not discharged from the debt. Question number 60. A becomes surety to C for B's conduct as a manager in C's bank. Afterward, B and C contract without A's consent that B's salary shall be raised and that he shall become liable for 1/4 of the losses on overdraft. B allows a customer to overdraw and bank losses a sum of money. Answer is option number B. A stand discharge as surety. Question number 61. Under section 218(1) of the Code of Criminal Procedure, a magistrate may try together all or any number of charges framed against an accused on an application by the dash. Answer is option number B, accused. Question number 62. Section 34 of the Indian Penal Code dash. Answer is option number C. It is only a rule of evidence and does not create a substantive offense. Question number 63. In which of the following cases can evidence be given as to the general result of the documents by any person who has examined them and who is skilled in the examination of such documents? Answer is option number D. When the original consists of numerous account or other documents which cannot conveniently be examined in court and the fact to be proved is the general result of the whole collection. Question number 64. With reference to section 11 of the Code of Civil Procedure, the expression former suit shall denote a suit dash. Answer is option number B, which has been decided prior to the suit in question. Question number 65. In absence of any fraud or willful wrong for the act of sub-agent lawfully appointed dash. Answer is option number C. The agent is responsible to the principal. Question number 66. In view of section 228 of Code of Criminal Procedure, the sessions judge is of opinion that there is ground for presuming that the accused has committed an offence which is not exclusively triable by the court of session. He may by order transfer the case for trial to the Chief Judicial Magistrate or any other judicial magistrate of the first class dash. Answer is option number A, after framing a charge. Question number 67. If the offence is punishable with fine only, what is the maximum period of imprisonment that can be awarded for non-payment of fine when the amount of fine does not exceed 100 rupees? Answer is option number C, 4 months. Question number 68. If a contract is contained in several letters dash. Answer is option number A. All the letters in which it is contained must be proved. Question number 69. If the original suit is dismissed, dash. Answer is option number C. Counterclaim may be proceeded with. Question number 70. B. The proprietor of a newspaper publishes at A's request a libel upon C in the paper, and A agrees to indemnify B against the consequences of the publication and all costs and damages of any action in respect thereof. B is sued by C and has to pay damages and also incurs expenses. Decided in the light of Section 224 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. Answer is option number C. A is not liable to B upon the indemnity. Question number 71. To discharge an accused under Section 245 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, the magistrate has to consider dash. Answer is option number C. Whether any case against the accused is made out which, if unrebuted, would warrant his conviction or not. Question number 72. Under Section 72 of the Indian Penal Code, in all cases in which judgment is given that a person is guilty of one of several offences specified in the judgment, but that it is doubtful of which of these offences he is guilty, the offender dash. Answer is option number B. Shall be punished for the offence for which the lowest punishment is provided if the same punishment is not provided for all offences. Question number 73. What is the sentence which can be imposed by a court while allowing an application for plea bargaining in case where a minimum sentence is prescribed for the offence in the statute? Answer is option number B. Half of such minimum sentence prescribed in the statute. Question number 74. Section 76 of the Indian Penal Code is based on the common law maxim dash. Answer is option number A. Ignorantia facit doth excusat, ignorantia juris non excusat. Question number 75. In the case of plea bargaining, a statutory appeal may lie from the judgment passed under Section 265G of the Code of Criminal Procedure to the dash. Answer is option number D. No appeal lies against the judgment. Question number 76. X a snake charmer claiming magical powers of curing snake bites asks why to be bitten by his cobra. Why an adult, under misconception that X has such magical powers, offered himself for snake bite and died. Here, answer is option number A. X cannot claim consent as good defense under general exception. Question number 77. Who among the following may be examined as witness by issuing a commission as per the proviso to Section 284 of the Code of Criminal Procedure? Answer is option number D. All of the above, means option A. President of India, option B. Vice President of India, option C. Governor of State. Question number 78. Which of the following statement is true? Answer is option number C. Both A and B. Number A. A person is not deprived of the right of private defense against an act done or attempted to be done by a public servant as such unless he knows or has reason to believe that the person doing the act is such public servant. Number B. A person is not deprived of the right of private defense against an act done or attempted to be done by the direction of a public servant unless he knows or has the reason to believe that the person doing the act is acting by such direction or unless such person state the authority under which he acts, or if he has authority in writing unless he produces such authority if demanded. Question number 79. The doctrine of autor quois acquit and autor quois convict is incorporated in section dash of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Answer is option number C, 300 section. Question number 80. A instigate B to murder D. B in pursuance of the instigation stabs D. D recovers from the wound. Answer is option number A. A is guilty of instigating B to commit murder. Question number 81. Which of the following is not an acquittal for the purposes of section 300 of the Code of Criminal Procedure? Answer is option number C. Both A and B means number A, dismissal of a complaint, number B, discharge of the accused. Question number 82. A with the guilty intention abets a child to commit an act which would be an offence if committed by a person capable by law of committing an offence and having the same intention as A. Here, dash. Answer is option number A. A is guilty of abetting an offence. Question number 83. If the forgery was committed in respect of document produced in any court, then prosecution can be launched only with a complaint made by the dash. Answer is option number A, court. Question number 84. A intentionally gives Z a shortcut or club wound sufficient to cause the death of a man in the ordinary course of nature. Z dies in consequence. A may not have intended to cause Z death. Here A is guilty of dash. Answer is option number A, murder. Question number 85. A magistrate to whom a complaint is made under section 340 or section 341 of the Code of Criminal Procedure shall proceed as far as may be to deal with the case as if it were instituted dash. Answer is option number A, on a police report. Question number 86. A without any excuse fires a loaded cannon into a crowd of persons and kills one of them. He may not have had a premeditated design to kill any particular individual. A is guilty of dash. Answer is option number A, murder. Question number 87. With reference to Information Technology Act 2000, data record or data generated, image or sound stored, received or sent in an electronic form or microfilm or computer generated microfiche means dash. Answer is option number A, electronic record. Question number 88. Intending to murder Z by poison purchases poison and mixes the same with food and places the food on Z's table. Answer is option number A. A has committed an offence of attempt to murder. Question number 89. The victim shall have a right to prefer and appeal against any order passed by the court dash. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Means number A, acquitting the accused, number B, convicting for a lesser offence, number C, imposing inadequate compensation. Question number 90. A meets a bullock carrying a box of treasure. He drives the bullock in a certain direction in order that he may dishonestly take the treasure, and bullock starts following A. Answer is option number A. A has committed theft. Question number 91. Where a high court passes only a sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding dash, no appeal will lie against it. Answer is option number B, 6 months. Question number 92. A is the paramour of Z's wife. She gives a valuable property which A knows to belong to her husband Z and to be such property as she has no authority from Z to give. A takes the property dishonestly. Answer is option number A. Here A has committed theft. Question number 93. In an appeal from a conviction, the appellate court can dash. Answer is option number A. 1 and 2 only, means number 1. Reverse the finding and sentence and acquit the accused. Number 2. Alter the finding maintaining the sentence. Question number 94. A holds Z down and fraudulently takes Z's money and dwells from Z's cloth without Z's consent, and in order to the committing of the theft, he has voluntarily caused wrongful restraint to Z. A has therefore committed the offence of dash. Answer is option number A. Robbery. Question number 95. Which of the following irregularities done by a magistrate not empowered by law to do those things vitiate proceeding? Answer is option number C. Attach and sell property under section 83 of the CRPC. Question number 96. If finds a check payable to bearer, he can form no conjecture as to the person who has lost the check, but the name of the person who has drawn the check appears. He knows that this person can direct him to the person in whose favor the check was drawn. He appropriates the check without attempting to discover the owner. A has committed the offence of dash. Answer is option number C. Dishonor, misappropriation of property. Question number 97. By which of the following judgment the Honorable Supreme Court extended the benefit of Article 21 of the Constitution of India to ensure just, fair and reasonableness in the procedure established by law? Answer is option number B. Maneka Gandhi case. Question number 98. Doctrine of holding out with reference to Transfer of Property Act is related to dash. Answer is option number A. Transfer by ostensible owner. Question number 99. A commits house trespass by entering Z's house through the door, having lifted a latch by putting a wire through a hole in the door. This is dash. Answer is option number A. House breaking. Question number 100. Section 52 of Transfer of Property Act is based on the principle embodied in the maxim dash. Answer is option number A. Ut lit pendant nihil innovator. Thank you friends.